Welcome to Global Economic Press, the podcast that delivers trusted global finance and economic news, analysis, and reports, empowering leaders and investors with reliable, timely insights. I'm your host, Alex Brady. Today, we're diving into an exciting development in the world of business financing. Alta Business Loans, a nationwide commercial finance brokerage, has just launched a secure online application that offers 8 different financing paths for businesses across the United States. This innovative approach aims to simplify the process for companies seeking financial support. Let's explore what this means for business owners in the broader economic landscape. Alta Business Loans, a nationwide commercial finance brokerage serving established United States businesses, announced today the introduction of a secure online application that allows eligible, revenue-generating companies to explore 8 commercial financing options. These options include working capital, revenue-based financing, equipment financing, invoice factoring, accounts receivable financing, purchase order financing, commercial real estate financing, and franchise or business acquisition funding. According to Alta Business Loans, the application typically takes less than 10 minutes to complete, carries no application fee, and during the initial pre-qualification process, does not require a hard credit inquiry, affect personal credit, or request a social security number or bank login credentials. The secure online application generally takes less than 10 minutes. There is no application fee, no hard credit pull during initial pre-qualification, no impact on personal credit during initial pre-qualification, and no social security number or bank login requested at this stage. 8 business financing paths. 1. Working capital financing. Working capital can support payroll, inventory, marketing, expansion, and everyday operating expenses. Typical applicants have at least 12 months in business, $100,000 or more in annual revenue, an active business checking account, and personal credit around $600 or higher. Required documents include recent business bank statements and information about current financing obligations. 2. Revenue-based financing. This serves businesses with regular sales that may not meet traditional financing requirements. Typical applicants have at least 6 months in business, average monthly revenue of $10,000 or more, consistent bank deposits, and personal credit around $500 or higher. Required documents include recent bank statements and credit card processing statements when applicable. 3. Equipment financing. This can help businesses purchase commercial vehicles, construction machinery, restaurant equipment, medical devices, manufacturing systems, computers, and other essential business assets. Required documents include an equipment quote or vendor invoice, recent business bank statements, fair or better credit, and verifiable business revenue. 4. Invoice factoring. This helps businesses access cash tied up in unpaid invoices instead of waiting 30, 60, or 90 days for customers to pay. Eligible businesses generally invoice other companies or government agencies for completed work. Required documents include an accounts receivable aging report, sample invoices, customer information, and proof that the product or service was delivered. 5. Accounts receivable financing. This is designed for established companies with ongoing business-to-business receivables. Required documents include an accounts receivable aging report, customer list, sample invoices, recent financial statements, and information about existing liens. 6. Purchase order financing. This helps businesses accept larger orders without using all their available cash to pay suppliers. A qualifying transaction generally includes a confirmed purchase order from a commercial or government customer, a reliable supplier, and a profit margin of approximately 15% or more. Required documents include the purchase order, supplier quote, product costs, and delivery plan. 7. Commercial real estate financing. This may support rental and multifamily properties, mixed-use properties, retail and office locations, warehouses and industrial properties, bridge projects, and fix-and-flip investments. Typical applicants have personal credit of at least 650 and approximately 20% to 25% available equity. Required documents include property information, proof of funds, leases or income projections, renovation estimates, and an exit plan. 8. Retirement-funded franchise and business acquisitions. Qualified entrepreneurs may use eligible retirement funds to purchase a franchise, acquire an existing company, or establish an operating business through a rollover for business startups, commonly called ROBs. ROBs is not a loan. It generally requires at least $50,000 in eligible retirement funds, an eligible former employer retirement account, active involvement in the business, and a qualifying C corporation. Required documents include retirement statements, business plans, and franchise or purchase agreements. Is there a fee to apply? No. Alta Business Loans does not charge an application fee. Costs associated with an accepted financing option depend on the selected program. These may include interest or factor costs, origination or documentation charges, factoring fees, appraisal or closing costs for commercial real estate, and setup and ongoing retirement plan administration fees for ROBs. Business owners receive the available costs, payment terms, and program details for review before deciding whether to proceed. Financing for America's business owners. Alta Business Loans serves restaurants and retailers, contractors, HVAC companies, plumbers and electricians, trucking and logistics companies, manufacturers and distributors, staffing agencies and commercial cleaning companies, automotive businesses and healthcare practices, hotels and e-commerce companies, farms and fitness centers, professional service firms, and commercial real estate investors. Capital for the next move. Business owners can complete the secure application online with no application fee and no impact on personal credit during initial pre-qualification. Start the application at https://www.altabusinessloans.com/pages apply.html. Learn more at https://www.altabusinessloans.com.